Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. This is African Collections Deep Twist, and this is in 12 inches, which I love because it's not too long, it's not too short, it's thick, it's full. I bought 2 packs and I only pulled the hair apart. Well, for this, like, this is a lot of hair on here. I pulled it apart 3 times. Some of them I was able to do 5. So this is how much I have left. Literally like 3 bundles, because I only use like 2 strands out of here. So yeah, you can probably get away with 1 pack. This is what the hair looks like. I love it. It's cute. It's sexy, but it's not like overly sexy. Like, I done had some crochet hairs, I'd be like, damn, it's got me looking sexy. But no, for real. This is cute. I like it. The install, ridiculously easy. Just ridiculously easy. Like, and then like, I don't know, it was just so easy. It was so easy to pull apart, and it was so easy to detangle. Like, so easy. And the loop, that's what the loop looked like, pre-looped, freaking easy. It fit on the latch hook perfectly. It was just a breeze. Probably one of the easiest hairs I have ever installed. Like, so easy. Y'all, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure y'all stay tuned for a review, because you know it's coming. I'm doing something new where I'm doing another battle with this, and I'm also doing a battle with this too. They're going against each other. But no, seriously. So y'all want to stay tuned for that video as well, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace and chicken grease.